Hi guys, TotallyDubbed here, and today I'm doing a video overview and unboxing of the Abkoncore C750 PC case. Now I'd like to thank Abkoncore for actually sponsoring this video. If you'd like to purchase this case or you'd like any more information, do check out in the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first off, we're going to unbox it. Make sure you are careful when you're actually opening this, so you first of all don't hurt yourself or the fact that you don't scratch the case underneath. So I'm just going to get this open. I'm going to get a case out the box. I'm going to get the polystyrene out and then the film. And here we have the case. So let's take a closer look at it. So here's a top-down view of the case. We're going to just get these little screws out so that we can actually open out the tempered glass. You might need to use a screwdriver for this one. And now let's get the panel off. And it is a tempered glass top over here. You're even warned about it. And there's some protective film which we're going to get rid of now. That's applied on both sides, so back, front and back. Now it's worth noting that I can notice a slight tint, a slight darker tint on the glass over here. Just worth bearing that in mind, but it looks quite stylish, at least in my opinion. So let's get rid of that now. So next up, it's worth considering the overall dimensions of the case. So first you've got the chassis size, which is 205 x 360 x 437 millimeters. Then in terms of the total size of the case, it's 210 x 410 x 463 millimeters. In terms of what you can mount in terms of motherboards, you're looking at ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX. Now in terms of fan configuration, there is one that's already included. It's a 120 millimeter Aurora Spectrum fan. Now you can of course replace this with a 120 millimeter one if you so wish. Now at the top you can mount two 120 millimeter fans or two 140 millimeter fans. It's also worth bearing in mind that there's a removable dust cover as well at the top, which has got a magnetic strip, which is great in terms of cleaning. You've also got fans that you can mount by the HDD or the PSU cover. Over here you can have 220 millimeter fan. Then at the front you can have three 120 millimeter fans as well. Now let's flip the case over and see the rear of it. So here's the case from the other side. Now what we can do is remove the rear cover, and we do this by lifting it up. Now inside, we'll talk about the cables in just a bit, but it's worth bearing in mind you've got a few little bit of accessories. You've got like a micro fiber cloth, you've got your motherboard standoff screws, you've got the rear panels which can be replaced if you do put in, let's say, a GPU or something, and then you've also got the motherboard speaker. You've also got a little manual over here which tells you a little bit about the case in terms of what's included, including the screws. There's also small cable ties which come included in the box as well. Now as for the cables, it's pretty standard with most cases, but you've got USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HD audio, and then you've got your motherboard ones which are, for example, HDD LED and reset SW and all of that stuff. In terms of the fan itself, it's got a 3-pin connector and a Molex connector as well. Now another thing I'd like to point out over here is the underneath of the case where you've got 4 feet, and of course you've also got a little compartment here for the PSU's fan to breathe. There's also a removable dust cover as well, which again can be easy for cleaning. Now in terms of storage, you've also got 3 SSD 2.5 inch bays, and you've also got 2 HDD 3.5 inch bays which you can also mount, which will be over here. As for on top, it's also worth bearing in mind you've got on and off button, reset button LED, USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, microphone input and headphone output as well. Of course these will only operate if they're connected properly to your motherboard via the cables that I showed before. Now what I also wanted to show you is the actual design of the case from the front and in terms of how it looks like. As you can see over here that there is a slight lip over there which makes it look a little bit different, and you've got that kind of brushed aluminium look of a greyish black aluminium look, and then you've got the Abkoncore logo over there, and you can see how it looks like in its entirety, and it looks pretty nice, at least subjectively speaking. So there we have it guys, that's been my overview and unboxing of the Abkoncore C750 case. Let me know in the comments below what you make of the case, and indeed if you have it or were thinking of getting it, I'll be very much intrigued to hear your thoughts. Of course, do subscribe, favourite and share and like this video, as it'll always help the channel grow. Alright guys, I've been TotallyDubbed, take care and bye bye.